Want to speak real Thai from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at ThaiPod101.com.
Hi everybody, Jay here. Welcome to Ask a Teacher, where I'll answer some of your most common Thai questions. The question for this lesson is, how many ways can you say I in Thai? In Thai, we have many different ways to refer yourself. In fact, we have almost 10 synonyms for the word I alone. Today, I'm going to teach you some of the most useful ways of saying I and some that you encounter in everyday life. First, we have to understand the most basic and common way of saying I, which can be used in just about every situation. This is ฉัน For example, ฉันทำงานในเมือง I work in the city. However, there are several other ways which are suitable for specific situations such as gender-specific forms, situations when you are with friends and formal situations. Some of the words you can use when you are with friends are เรา เขา and กู The most informal of these is กู This is usually used with close friends. For example, กูมีสอบวันนี้ I have exams today. Or เรามีสอบวันนี้ Or เขามีสอบวันนี้ เรา and เขา are usually used when you are not that close to that friend yet, or when you want to sound more polite when talking with friends. Moving on to formal words for I. There are ผม กระผม ดิฉัน ข้าพเจ้า First, I'll talk about the gender-specific forms of I. It's very easy to understand. If you are a male, you address yourself as ผม or กระผม If you are a female, you address yourself as ดิฉัน These are often used in very formal situations, such as giving a formal speech or talking to your boss. For example, in a job interview, you want to say, I have a bachelor's degree. As a woman, you can say ดิฉันจบปริญญาตรีค่ะ If you are a man, you can use ผมจบปริญญาตรีครับ As for ข้าพเจ้า, it's used most of the time in official announcements from the government or the royal family. The degree of formality has to be really high. For example, ข้าพเจ้าขอมอบหมายให้ทำสิ่งนี้ I assign you to do this. The Prime Minister would likely say this sentence to his staff or to the public. If you are unsure of which one you should use, stick with ฉัน as is the safest one that can be used both formally and informally. Pretty interesting, right? If you have any more questions, please leave a comment below. Bye bye! สวัสดีค่ะ